this video, you are going to learn how to change your Gmail password. So to change your Gmail password, here in Gmail, you are going to click on your Gmail icon here, on your Google account Gmail icon. When you click there, just click on manage your Google account. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Here, this side, you have to click on security. And so when you click there, it's going to bring you here under the security. Just scroll down until you can see where you see the password. Click on password. It will bring you here. Here you have to enter the correct password for your Gmail account. If you don't have the previous password, then it's not possible for you. You need to have the password that you've been using. Then that's when you can proceed. And click on next. It will bring you here. And so if you've set up two-step verification, you will have to verify this from your mobile phone. When I place this, here now, because the password that I entered is correct, I'll be given access. And here now you can type the password and also repeat the same password down here just to confirm. And changing password is that simple. Now you can just click on change password. That's how you change your password in Gmail. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.